Vibes.
But you knew that. Slidey Pope.
Hello baby, what's up now?
Hello, Happy. Can you come over right now? Like, I'm really horny.
Eh?
Yeah, come right now.
So you mean like what I've been telling you since, like you are finally down?
Yeah, I'm down.
Are you serious? Chill, wait, what time? When should I come over?
Come right now.
Now? Oh yeah, I'm coming right now.
I'm looking for some peace of mind. I'm looking for some peace. I'm looking for some peace. I'm looking for some peace of mind. Whoa, 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 whoa. Blow up some trees tonight. Very good.
Hey, boss, I enjoy that part. I just 1 hour I will use. I will return am to you. Just return am.
I know they wait till they
Boss,
talk.
me I no change out for you.
Wait till they talk.
Boss,
I know they return Oko tí bàbá ní kí mú wá. Ibo mo ti fẹ́ roko mi báyìí.
Yeah, Danny Takejare, me say we get prick, no dey cry up to you. Wetin happen now? What you want me to say another? Hello? Yeah, what's up now?
Hello. Sorry, don't bother coming over again.
Who is with you right now? I don't
I'll
understand
talk to you.
Do you know what I have lost to get to this point right now?
I'm really sorry.
So what? Hello? So you're trying to say I should go back home? Hello?
This is a place where I feel at home.
Okay guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share the video and subscribe. Check out our TikTok too and IG. We start posting there more often. And don't forget to patronize us. If you want to buy jerseys or you can have someone that wants to buy jerseys, you can just link us up. Follow us on our IG HT_stores for the jerseys. And take care and peace.
They run in my vein. Many people don't die in vain. I'm looking for some peace of mind. I'm looking for some peace. I'm looking for some peace. I'm looking for some